jacks. A strong thunderstorm. And open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles northwest of Bayside, moving northeast at 40 knots. The public reported trees blown down in northern Waukesha County from this thunderstorm. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for southeastern and east central Wisconsin.